Oh wait. Okay. I'm pretty sure ginger is bear Jew.
It is.
Oh, okay. Cool.
It's one down.
Look at that.
Two down.
Look at that, dude.
Look at that upward dog. What is that called? No, that's probably something else.
I don't think that thing.
That's a third grader. That's a third grader playing Super Nintendo. And his TV's on the floor.
Three down. Doors open.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, you're going there? I'm closer.
You got.
Hey, where's your
No
blue
bombs
blood
leading
guards
up
at?
there, right?
Not that we know of.
Okay.
I'm just trying to get this gate to fucking open, bro.
It'd be sweet if that would blow up that platform and this platform. Yeah, just put it right there on that leg. Maybe it'll a little splashy splash over here.
Okay. Whose assault backpack was on the floor with the mines?
Not mine. Don't know.
Oh, that was mine. You can bring him up. Just pick him up out of the bag.
Okay. I'll take the whole bag for you.
I don't like this bush right here. Got my face bush. I need to be able to see great wide open. Did you get fettuccine or did you get the street taco?
I went with street taco.
Nice.
Actually got chicken fettuccine Alfredo. So,
Oh yeah.
Thick and chicken telefini alfredo. Nope, that's not the gun I want.
All
That's
right.
the gun I want.
What the hell?
Uh-oh. I hear the goods coming up.
Boop. Boop.
It'd be funny if you had to set the timer at your base. I think it's going to take me 7 minutes to get there.
I have to relog.
So we gotta put it on this
There you go.
door frame in order to get
ooh,
up.
I found a locked door over here.
Yeah,
Okay. Here you go.
we know about that
What's,
one.
what's the matter,
Here
sir?
you go, beauty.
So right here.
Wait, do we want to get into the church or do we want to get into the...
Thank you.
We're gonna. This should take out both of them, right?
No,
I would
man.
hope.
There's a prefab in between. No.
What? It'll take this door frame out. We can climb up.
This
Yes.
door frame there, and that.
We
door
don't want
frame
to
there.
destroy it. Is what we're doing?
We'll be able to
What?
climb up once the door frame's gone.
Okay.
We want to blow
so-
up both
Oh,
platforms.
yeah, no. We
I
want to
wanna-
take out the platform.
Yeah. I wanted
Just-
to know if do we
just
want
bring it
door
back.
frame or do we want platform down?
Put it like right here.
Yeah, I just hate that I can't interact with this metal fence.
Well, I wonder if it will go through that since the metal.
I'm scared it won't, but whatever for science.
Can you put it up top?
Put it on the plate. I don't know. Can you?
On that little, like, triangle right here?
Yeah.
Huh.
There you go. That
Yeah,
should work.
I mean, if that doesn't blow it up...
Put it- I mean,
Yeah.
yeah.
Let me know when you're ready.
Here we go.
I wonder if it makes a new explodey sound. We just keep backing up.
Ooh.
Just the
That's
Holy
fucking
smokes.
loud.
Holy smokes! There you go. All good.
It's one down. It's two down. Doors open.
Crushing it.
Opening. Stuff on the ground in here.
Stuff
so
on
yeah,
the ground, stuff in the air. Yep.
You guys want to push first?
Yep. I'm going. I'm just pushing hard. Door is locked.
Okay, go in the cabin.
I'm below you.
Check back. Don't see anything in the back.
Couple
Both
wardrobes
vehicles.
in the church. At least 2 I can see.
It's one down.
Very nice.
Touch their flag.
I'm gonna trade these trucks in. They're probably locked. I'm gonna go trade these trucks in right now.
Hey, Beauty. There's another black truck in here.
Oh, what do we do? I would like a black fleet.
That's what we should run, just all black trucks.
All black everything.
Ooh, just, that kind of
Uber
freaked me out
FL
there.
black.
Fuck.
Don't beat yourself up, Sin. You just popped 6 gold locks in 30 seconds.
Another one down. Door's
7.
open.
I'm gonna clear left. Let me go in first.
I'm gonna clear. I'm gonna get trucks.
That's right. You're looking right.
I know, but I wanted to make sure there wasn't a bomb.
I'm going upstairs.
Go down bombs. Go down bombs.
Going upstairs.
Back door's locked.
1 bed to 3 beds.
Metal in a wardrobe.
Got a bad M1 rifle. And nothing else. You mind if I start chopping these beds, guys?
Chop away.
Red truck's unlocked.
Thing in it.
I don't know. I'm not looking. Just seeing how fast I can rip through these. Black truck's unlocked.
Copy.
Going for the church.
Drive one out.
Yeah, I can't drive them because they're pushed together.
One lock off.
Why'd they do it that way? Dummies.
Oh, but it's gonna be a mother effort to get them out. Probably gonna shoot me up in the
Quad is
air.
locked, too.
Inside this cabin's locked too.
Another lock
There we
off.
go.
Oh, that was way easier than I thought it'd be.
Damn, Sin.
Another lock
dude.
off. Church is open.
Coach, you can stay. I'll drive it out.
Okay, let me just drag
I'm going
this
for
stuff
bell
to the
tower. I'm
boxes.
going for bell tower.
Okay.
Get those. Oh my God! Get those Christmas presents.
I think I got every, I don't know, backpack.
I was just gonna drive it out and into the city for us to
Oh.
loot out there.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, that's fine. I'll just leave it in here.
I was just gonna go trade in right now.
Yeah, go ahead.
Let's do it before we leave. Maybe we load up the trucks, bring the boxes down, put it in our truck.
One lock off the tower.
That's where I want to be, is in the bell tower with a snipey.
Another lock off the tower. Door's open.
Bed in the wardrobe. Back up for
Oh.
a second, Rhett.
Yep. Somebody running? Us? Okay.
Try in bed. This wardrobe's locked. Moving up. And that's where I'm gonna stay for the rest of the thing.
One lock off this door.
Bed up top.
That's it for advanced. Oh.
Well
Yeah,
done.
you killed it.
Oh, sorry.
There
Shitting
you
on
go,
me,
Chicken.
everybody. See someone floating on top of the bell tower?
That's me.
Coach.
Oh
I don't
no.
think there's anything
Oh,
in the
what
back.
did you do? Now I see your name. You're not floating anymore, bud.
Right, wow.
Hey,
Cool.
congrats.
Just one. Thank you.
Coach.
Probably a mystery one.
Ooh,
Packnells.
are you serious?
No.
Yeah,
Actually, it's probably a lot.
Packnells.
That's great. Think about it. We can get all those spike traps you want to build. I think it's like a bunch of, like, a shit ton.
Yeah. I think we have a shit ton of those.
Now we'll have a shit ton more.
We got 2 C4s to get into their other base.
Where's their other
Clean 'em
base?
out.
C3.
C3.
Church.
The Haskell barrier base.
Yeah, take the 50s over there. Blow down that first layer really fast.
Let's do it.
And then C4 the next 2 layers.
You gonna take these vehicles out of here, Coach, and trade them?
Yeah, I will.
Anybody else need coin?
Yeah, does anybody else want to do that? Does anybody need cheddar?
Cool. Good at the moment.
We can leave one and then take it to
Yep.
move it. All right.
Hurry up. Want to mark 18?
Sure.
Gonna lock out this door.
Thanks, sir.
Didn't have a mag in it though.
I got plenty.
Just so you know.
Gonna lock out this door.
Do it.
Damn,
Cool.
Sinister.
Damn, you are crushing it. Do you need me to make some for you?
Well, you got me
I
with
think-
a chubby right now, boy.
Anytime we go to a base to pick, I'm just gonna tell them it's Rocksteady and Nightmare's base, and you're just gonna rip it.
Bunch of stuff in here.
Okay.
Below you, beauty. A little bit of mantle. That's what
Anybody
I-
hungry? Got MREs for days.
There.
Check their clothes.
Okay, I'm moving on to the cabin now.
Get
Oh
in
wait,
more
another
here.
store right here.
Why is there a random ass police riot vest in here? The hell?
You don't just have one of those, all of your boxes?
No, it was like laying.
Unlock
It's
out the
floating
store.
right here. It was in here.
Oh. Weird. Very weird.
Trade auto. Yep.
Just gonna lock out this door. Door's open.
This,
Key card with 31 hours left on it. D1.
Oh, nice.
hell yeah.
Oh,
This
Okay,
ATV
going to
is
the cabin.
still locked, by the way.
We're just gonna dismantle their squad. And then save the next C4 round for the admins. Use these 3, get 3 more. I don't know, I really don't
Somebody help
want
me
yep. What do you
bobby
need me?
pins.
He's fiending. Give him his fix.
Are you
Coming,
recording?
coming. Where did you... there's a 50 cal in there as well in the church, guys. So, oh, you got it.
I have it in my mouth water. I'm just gonna carry 250s, one with a red dot, one with a scope on it.
God, you're never going to be able to move.
The only gun I use is 50
Cal.
Too
I'm gonna
heavy.
change my name to Fitty. Once you run around with it for like 4 months, it's actually, it just doesn't feel right not being heavy.
I feel like I'm running too fast and I don't like it.
I hate that mech noise in your ear because part of that, if it starts in a weird cycle, it starts with like the sound of crunching grass to the left of you.
Mm-hmm.
All right, there you go. I'm gonna stop so we all fatal and end up like that would suck.
My favorite's still when it sit there and vapes at you.
Yep. Blows a big ass cloud.
Oh yeah.
I pictured 13 as more of a
One lock
vapor,
out this door.
not a smoker. One lock off the door.
F button sometimes just doesn't work.
Yeah, he definitely looks like more of a vape kind of guy, doesn't he?
Yeah, was there a lot of loot in there yet, or?
No.
Okay, that my mouse just it wasn't moving. No luck. Door's open.
Attaboy.
There's only one thing left locked in this place. Or a couple things, really.
ATV.
Nothing but a bed. Just trying. You said there's a locked wardrobe somewhere?
I think you got him.
The quad's locked.
What the? Mouse wasn't moving again.
Oh. Oh. There you go,
Door's
bro.
unlocked.
Oop.
It's empty.
You're like,
This wardrobe's locked in. Out here.
here you go, bro.
Thank you. Are you looking for anything in particular? That drawer and over here in this room, it's pretty good too. You might want to look in it.
What the fuck? Rip.
There's another 50 cal in here.
Run with it. Carry it. Is there ammo in it?
I don't think so.
We got a goofy little table here.
Come on. I don't know. What the fuck? It's unlocked. Holy fuck, that took me a long time. Oh, hello. Guns.
Send it. Oh, 50 cal AP ammo? What up? I'm just gonna fill this
Alright,
back.
that's everything, right?
I think so.
Believe so.
Only thing I want from this base is this M1. Suck
There's
it!
another M1 right here.
Suck it, bitches!
Brett, don't you love M1s?
I got one, man. I got.
Oh.
Hey,
I-
hey, come here though, coach.
Oh,
If
2
you
more
were
fucking
just
locked
here.
wardrobes right here.
Hold on
There
a
was.
second.
Okay.
I'm gonna
There's
just.
50 cows in there. That's all. There's another
As-
wardrobe.
Yes.
Is this metal chest put together for your taking?
Yeah, it was. Okay.
Okay, we need another metal chest then.
Or not, I'm sorry, not the metal one. Actually, the fucking wood one next.
Have you guys found any lockpicking stuff?
Throw that thing away.
None. Did you see any? Not one thing.
There was a little bit of I think Coach already
What the fuck?
just
Fucking
traded it
F-button.
in with the truck, but it was.
I just got sniped by
From
the
where?
water.
Very
I
close.
He's on the side.
Illusion.
You got
He's
him.
dead. Yeah.
I'm about to die, I'm about to die, I'm about to die.
I got you, homie.
Good then.
They grab my body.
Ooh, I got a god spawn.
Where's Yoda?
I'm on top of the building. I can't see that.
Oh no, I didn't see your name.
Yeah.
Where was
Sorry,
he?
Let's
Yeah,
try to
boy.
make sure he doesn't have a bed up there. I just seen somebody spawn underneath the church or in this cabin, maybe.
I hear somebody to my right.
I just spawned back in. I'm coming in. Jumping.
No, I hear somebody on the outside of the church, guys.
So do I.
I'm coming in.
I hear. Well, I see Yoda.
There,
I'm far though. Point me at him.
I just died again. Where is he shooting me from?
The northeast.
Inside base or outside base?
Outside. You were outside when you died, right?
No, he was
No.
inside.
By the well again. Under the thing or something? That's not a good spawn. Don't go by the well.
I'm outside by the door.
Oh, I'm
Someone
dead.
died?
Yeah, I'm dead.
How'd
that
you
drop,
die?
Just
that drop
randomly
just
died.
killed me. That fucking
Oh.
jumping out the fucking
There's
killed me.
someone. There's someone behind the base. to the
Yeah,
west.
they gotta be. Are they inside? Behind the. He killed me from 17 meters, guys.
I'm running in, Beauty, so
Okay.
You can
I'm
come
in the
with me.
back.
Someone just snapped a twig.
Me.
Someone
he-
just ordered a kit. Illusion.
He's got to be in there if he's 17 meters away.
Yeah, he's definitely in there. It's just I think he's underneath the thing, glitched out.
Yeah.
I'm gonna close the door because I gotta.
I'm just gonna run straight into the bell tower.
I gotta pee. Give me a second.
Well, coach is right there, so I should be fine.
Someone's outside. To the
Yep.
north. Coming at you, Beauty.
Who just closed that? Oh,
I got Nightmare. He
Was he
wasn't.
outside?
Nightmare was inside, but there's still someone outside, going towards Beauty.
I'm with Coach.
I'm stamped.
Popping my body.
You were right, then. He was tucked, fucking like under the truck.
Fucking called it, bro. I called it. Cause I knew I heard somebody like right there when I was inside the building.
That's where I
The
thought I
door
heard
right here,
shooting
it's
from.
underneath you.
yeah,
There's another one.
Ooh, behind you. Turn around. Turn
Arg dead. Arg dead.
around. Attaboy.
Where was
Hell
he?
yeah.
Outside.
He's in
Outside.
that bush. Right there. That's me, I think, but let's just load this shit up and roll.
Okay,
I got 2 more wardrobes to go.
Let's
I'm
kill
coming
him.
in for my stuff.
I'd like to get my stuff back too, but
I'm gonna head back to town. Hold the town.
I'm gonna grab my stuff and do the same. Get a good sniping spot.
Is inside the base clear?
Yes. It
Seems
was
like-
last-
Oh, dude, this boy logged out with some good shit, y'all. Nightmare.
What do you
did.
log out with?
3 motherboards and a bunch of gold coins.
whoa.
Did you say gold locks?
Lock the
Go
church up.
coins.
Lock the church. Lock the church.
Coins, gold coin.
Oh.
Nice.
Oh no.
You okay, Beauty?
Yeah. Okay. I'm coming out. Where are we meeting?
Tell them we picked your locks. You guys relocked them. That wasn't too long ago. And then you just killed us.
Y'all put your locks back on your door and didn't expect us to come back with C4.
Yes, I am.
Okay, I'm running up again. Gotta gas up.
Fucking Christ.
Is there still one out here?
Don't believe that.
Okay.
Do we clear the bodies to the?
Comes. I got one in town.
Coming in. So he was right there in that truck where that truck is.
Remember, on the right side of the base, our bodies are there. I don't know if those got cleared out or what, but they're gonna.
Somebody's outside.
I just moved. Where at?
Not illusion down.
I'm gonna
Gotcha.
take the vehicle out.
Got you, homie. Sit the fuck down. Fuck out of here, bitch. It's sinister fall, motherfucker.
Whoa.
Fuck that guy, dude.
Sin's grumpy. I like
Talk
it.
to fucking Beauty like that, dude.
I like it.
Wait, Rhett, come
Well,
back with
yep.
that truck. Fuck.
One's in town, right?
Nightmare's
One's in
only
town.
got 412 coins.
Here.
Yeah, I
For
just
sure.
said I'm taking the vehicle. That's what I thought you heard.
Yeah, sorry, I was.
Yep, yep,
I was
yep,
muted.
yep, yep.
There's a Mark 18 right there. Grab that, and then here, grab this this box, this wood box, level 2 box. It's mostly just, it's got the and fucking
Got it.
grab that if you got room. All right.
Okay, everything's unlocked now. Let's fucking go.
Yeah.
Let's just fill that truck up with everything out of the wardrobe and just drive